at world trade and how world trade has evolved over the last 30 years, we've seen a 7% increase year on year as far as world trade is concerned. Now, that's on a more global basis, right? It peaked all the way up to $18 trillion way back in 2011, even at the peak of the crisis. But if you actually try and look at a more narrow perspective, you'll see that the fastest growth for world trade has been in developing nations. And again, if you look at developing nations, you'll see that OIC countries' contribution to that trade is clearly very insignificant. While it is growing at a more faster pace, given where the total world trade is, you would obviously see that the denominator of world trade in OIC countries is so small that the growth looks significantly bigger. If you just try and focus on OIC countries for that matter, and which are Islamic countries, and everybody in this room knows what OIC countries are, you'll see that Islamic finance as such in these countries has not penetrated, leave alone world trade. Look at countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Turkey, Malaysia is an exception, but other countries that come within the OIC platform or included within OIC countries, you would clearly see that there's a lot of room for improvement of just Islamic finance. And Islamic finance and Islamic trade would go hand in hand. I think Islamic trade would automatically increase provided that there is more penetration of Islamic finance in the OIC countries. So as Islamic banking practitioners, I think the first thing that we have to do is try and make sure that Islamic finance penetrates in OIC countries, one. And given the size of the population, you look at predominantly Muslim populations in OIC countries, but if you look at Islamic finance in these countries, you'll hardly see 4 or 5% penetration. Yeah. Clearly, and I'm sure that you would echo most of what I've said, but once Islamic finance penetrates in OIC countries, the next step is to make sure that all structures pertaining to Islamic finance, Islamic trade being one of them, would try and be maximized to its fullest potential.